It's time to strap on your boots as we embark on an unforgettable student housing adventure in the heart of London. Introducing Westcombe House, a dream abode that's sure to tick all your boxes. Perfectly located in Greenwich, close to all the action, Westcombe offers a selection of stunning studios to choose from. Step inside your apartment and you'll be greeted with a snug bed and a dedicated study area, complete with a private kitchen and bathroom, taking your stay to the zenith of independence, privacy, and comfort. That's not all. Come home to a communal lounge, cinema room, and games area and unwind after an exhausting day at the university. Or stay agile by hitting the on-site gym or the fitness studio. Plus, the property also offers a study room, laundry room, bike storage, and a vending machine, keeping the daily hassles of student life at bay. With the University of Greenwich and Ravensbourne University just a short ride away, you'll never be late for any of those early morning lectures. On weekends, explore the delectable dining milieu including Sushi Temple, Merger Han, and IKEA Bistro, which are all within a short stroll, letting you satiate those week-long culinary cravings. Plus, with excellent public transport connectivity, you're all set to explore the magic and magnificence of London at your own pace. In a nutshell, Westcombe House is your gateway to a perfect lifestyle in the heart of dreamy London. So head over to amberstudent.com right away and secure your unforgettable stay today.